This is D303 roof repair finish. I'm gonna do it real quick because battery's going dead. Alright, this is where the dip was at probably at this point. So we've seen the wood be put in and everything is good to go. That had a hole in it, so patched that up. And these two had holes in them. But the shingles was good overall. That's there. Let's go to the chimney. The chimney where that little dip was at, that's pretty good now. So it's not a dip there anymore. So there should be no issues there. On this side, where those cracks was at. I don't know if you can see it with the sun. Put the stuff in between the seams where there was crack and holes. So, all the way down. There you go. So, and then I did around the chimney. I don't know if you can see that. Ugh. Yeah, did the cracks around there. All the way around the chimney. So that's good. This side, outside of the chimney, did the same thing where the cracks was at. Filled the holes in where the cracks was at. Repair that little big hole right there. An even bigger hole behind here. This was almost a half a tube. As you can see, I filled that in. You can see the stuff moving. So I filled that up. This is probably over where the closet's at. So I filled in the cracks, wherever it was a crack, filled in. Okay, down to these two. Cleaned that out, took that and filled the hole in, patched it in, put a new nail in there. That's good. Same thing on the other side, patched it down, hold it in. This is over top of the sink. Same thing. Took the stuff out, cleaned it out, put a nail in there, put some cement on top of it. It's good to go. All the little holes that was on this little vent, all the holes are covered. I mean, all the nail heads are covered. Nail heads covered. That little issue right there is dealt with. Same thing over here. All nail holes are covered. 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 That's new. Covered that. Covered that. And that one's new too. Screw down in here. Screw that down. Filled it up. So that should be good to go. Right there. This little nail head. It was a hollow.